Welcome to my YouTube channel, my Lab Tutor. Now I'm going to start the first chapter of Excel My Lab class, Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 HOE Souvenirs. Okay, first of all, I'm going to do the project description. Here is project description. As assistant manager of celebrity museum souvenir shop, you want to calculate. Okay, here is my Excel sheet. I downloaded it. You can see here. Now I'm going to the first step. Start Excel, download and open the Exp22 Excel Chapter 1 HOE source Excel shop creator has automatically added to last name beginning of the file name. Okay, you can see here I have done. I'm going to do the Excel job. I already done it. I downloaded the Excel file. I already show you. Okay, you can see here it's our Excel first chapter Exp22 Excel Chapter 1. So here if you need the solution of this assignment you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment many times for my many students with 100% grades. Okay, I have done this step number 1. Now I am going to move the next step. My next step is the step number 2. You notice the worksheet contain some spelling. Okay, use Excel to check and correct the spelling error in worksheet. Okay, use Excel to check and correct the spelling error. Now I am going to do the spelling error for the Excel worksheet. You can see here. Here is our Excel worksheet. Now I am going to do the spelling errors. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment 100% grades for my many students. You notice that the worksheet contains some spelling errors. Use Excel to check and correct spelling error in the worksheet. Now I am going to check the spelling error in the worksheet. Okay, you can see here. Our step number 2 is use Excel to check and correct the spelling error. Now I am going to in the review tab. Here is our spelling error. You can see here. Yes. Change all and okay, I check the spelling error. Okay, I have done the step number 2. Now I am going to move the next step. My next step is step number 3. You want to use the autofit series to code the product name. Use enter 101 and B5. Use autofill to complete the sequence B6 to B9 with series. Now I am going to complete the series with here is our I am going to complete the series 101. You can see here. Now I am going to complete the series. It's okay. Here is little error. I will complete the series with the sequence. Enter 101 and B5 and use the auto will complete the sequence for the ranges B10 to B6 with series. Okay. If you need the solution of this assignment, I have done this assignment many times for my many students. I can do perfectly for quality grades. Okay. Now I am going to do the step number 3. Our step number 3, enter 101 in cell B5. Use autofill to complete the sequence with the range B6 to B10. Okay, you can see here I am going to do the step number 3, enter 101 in cell B5 and autofill to complete the sequence from the ranges B6 to B10 with the series. Okay, you can see here I am going to do the step number 3. My step number 3 is enter 101 in the cell B5 and use autofill. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment many times for my many students with 100% grades. Enter 101 in cell B5. Use the autofit. Complete the sequence with range B6 to B10 with the series. Okay, now I am going to complete the series with the sequence. You can see here I am going to do the step number 3. It's the major Excel chapter 1 Souvenirs. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment many times for my many students. Enter 101 in cell B5 and use autofill to complete the sequence. Now I am going to go to complete the sequence with the series. Complete the series with the sequence. You can see here in cell B5 I already. You can see here and complete the series with the sequence. Fill. Okay. Now I have done. You can see here I completed the series with the sequence 101 to 106. Okay, if you need, now I have done the step number 3. Now I'm going to move the next step. My next step is step number 4. My next step is step number 4. To motivate the customer buy more product, you want to change the 5%. Find all acronym 0.05 replaced. Okay. Here I am going to replace 0.05 is 0.1 times 0.05 with 0.1 0.10. Okay, you can see here. Now I'm going to change the find and replace according to instruction. Okay, I just find one replacement. You can see here I have done the step number 4. Okay, now I'm going to for the next step. My next step is step number 6. Oh, sorry, step number 5. I have done this assignment for my many students with 100% grade. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. My next step is step number 5. Now I have done the step number 4. Now I'm going to move for the next step. My next step is step number 5. Column C contains that the cost of each product. You will column D contains that the values if you will calculate the markup amount to each product. Now I am going to in cell E5 enter a formula to calculate the markup amount. Now I am going to find the markup amount in cell E5 and I am going to subtract a formula in cell E5 and to find the markup amount, which is the result of the markup cost and the markup rate. Okay, copy the formula cell E6 to E10. Okay, now I am going to do the step number 5 in the cell E5. Enter a formula to calculate the markup amount. Okay, if you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment many times for my many students. Okay, you can see here. Now I am going to do the step number 5 in cell E5. Enter a formula. Here is our cell E5. Now I am going to construct a formula in cell E5. E5 is equal to you can see here I am going to construct a formula in cell E5 and next is C5 multiply by D5. You can see here I have done. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment manager. I have find the value markup amount by multiplying the C5 and D5. You can see here cost and markup rate. Okay, I am going to fill the formula according to using the fill handle. Okay, copy the formula. I have done. Okay, now I have completed the step number 5. Now I am going to move for the next step. My next step is step number 6. In cell F5 to enter a formula to calculate the retail price. Okay, now I am going to do the step number 5. In cell F5 enter a formula to calculate the retail price, which is the sum of the cost and the markup amount. Copy the formula cell F6 to F10. Now here is our F6 and I am going to do here is our C5 plus markup amount E5. Now I have found the value for the F6. You can see here by summation of the cost and the markup amount. Okay, I have done. Auto fit the width of column F. Okay, copy the formula to range F6 to F10. Now I'm going to copy the, you can see here I copied the formula from F6 to F10. I find the value for our remaining cells. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment many times for my many students with 100% grades. In F5 enter a formula to calculate the retail price, which is the sum function of cost and the markup amount. Copy the formula from F6 to F10. I have done the step number 6. You can see here. Now I am going to move the next step. My next step is step number 6. Each item is to sell the worksheet is sale price X percentage. In H5 calculate the sale price. Copy the formula. Now I am going to find the sale price in H5. Okay, in cell H5 calculate the sale price. Copy the formula from H6 to H10. It is my step number 7. Now I am going to complete the step number 7 by constructing the formula in cell H5 to calculate the sale price. Here is H5. Now I am going to do find the sale price. H5 F5 multiply by one minus. I am going to construct a formula in cell H5 to find the sale price. G5 I have done. Okay, I find the value for H5. Okay, now I'm going to copy the formula from H6 to H10. You can see here. Copy the formula from H5 to H10. Okay, I have done. I found the value for my remaining cells. Okay, I am going to do the Excel chapter 1 souvenirs. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have already put my the contact and description. Now I have completed the step number 7 and moving to the step number 8. My step number 8 in cell I5 enter a formula to calculate the profit margin. Okay. Now I am going to construct a formula cell in I5 and going to enter the formula in I5, enter a formula to calculate. Okay, here is my cell I5 and I am going to enter a formula. Here is I5 and I am going to enter a formula. H5 H5 minus C5 divided by H5. I find the value for cell E5 of profit margin. I have done the step number 8. Now copy the formula to the ranges from I5 to I10. Now I am going to complete the formula by fill the ranges by using the fill handle. In cell I5, enter a formula to calculate the profit margin and copy the formula from the ranges. Okay, now I am going to complete the formula in cell I5 to I6 to I10. Okay, you can see here I6 to I10. You can see here I have done the step number 8. Now I am going to move for the next step. My next step is the step number 9. You decided to add a column. Insert a new column I and enter the profit amount in cell I4. Okay. Insert a new column I and enter the profit. Okay, now I am going to insert a new column I. Here is my new column I. Insert a new column I and now I am going to copy the word amount, profit amount and paste into cell I4. Okay. Here is what I copied and paste and outfit the column 8. Okay, you can see here I copied the word profit amount and paste into cell I4. I have done the step number 9. Now I am going to move for the next step. My next step is step number 10. Now you are and in cell I5 enter a formula to calculate the profit which is different. Okay, you can see here. Now I am going to do the next step. My next step is step number 10. In cell I5 enter the formula to calculate the profit which is the difference between the. Now I am going to construct a formula in cell I5. Enter the formula to calculate the profit which is the difference between the original price and copy the formula from I6 to I10. Okay, now I am going to complete the step number 10. You can see here I am going to do the step number 10. In cell I5 enter a formula to calculate the profit. Okay, in cell I5 enter a formula to calculate the profit margin which is the difference between the original cost and copy the formula from I6 to I10. Okay, now I am going to do the step number 10. My step number 10 is here. I am going to apply the formula H5 minus C5. I find the value. You can see here. Now I fill the formula in other cell from I6 to I7. I find the values from my other cells. For my other cells, I'm going to do the next step. My next step is the step number 11. You can see here you want to insert a 2 row. Okay, insert a row, new row 5 and type apparel in cell A5. Now I'm going to do the step number 11. My step number 11 is here. Insert a new row 5 and type apparel in cell A5. Insert a new row 8. Okay, here I'm going to start a new row. You can see here I inserted a new row and going to word copy apparel and paste into cell A5. Okay, I am going to word copy apparel, word copy and paste into cell A5. You can see here I pasted. And next one in cell A5 insert a new row 8 and enter souvenir in cell A8, bold the word in cell A5 and okay. Now I am going to do the next is here A8 is here. I'm going to word copy souvenirs and going to paste into cell A8. Okay, you can see here I copied and paste into cell A8. Souvenirs, you can see here I have done apparel and souvenirs. Okay, you can see here bold the word in the cell A5 and A8. Delete the row 11 containing the OK. Now I have bolded and going to delete the row 11 containing the soundtrack CD. Okay, now I am going to do the next point of the step number 11. Delete the row 11 containing the soundtrack CD. Okay, I have done this assignment for my many students. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I always deliver quality grade for my many students. Okay, I am always available here. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done the step number 11, and now I am going to move for the next step, next point, and delete the row 11 containing the soundtrack CD. Okay. You can contact me for whole class. I am dealing the whole classes for many students with quality grade. I always deliver best grades for my all students. If you need the solution of any my lab assignment, quizzes or exams, you can directly contact me through WhatsApp. I put my WhatsApp link in description. I also put my email address on the screen. Okay, now I'm going to do the move. Now I'm going to move for the next step. The next step is delete the row 11. Increase the weight of the column A to 27 and change the height from the 1 to 30. Okay, now I'm going to increase the weight for the column A. Now I'm going to increase the width for the column A 23 and change the height of the row 1 to 30 and hide the column B and change the height for the row 1 30. You can see here I change the height for the row 1 30 and hide the column B containing the product codes. Okay, and now I'm going to hide for the column B. Here is our column B. I'm going to hide. Okay, I hide the column B. Okay, I have done the step number 12. Now I am going to move for the next step. My next step is step number 13. The t-shirt product below the souvenirs heading, the products belong to the select and cut the ranges A11 to J11 and insert the cursor to the row 8. Okay, now I am going to select and cut the ranges from A11 to J11 and the insert cursor on the row 8. Here is our cursor A11 to J11 and insert the cursor into okay, you can see here I pasted the cut cells. Okay, I am going to insert the cut cells. You can see here. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment for many students with 100% grades. I have complete solution of this assignment. Copy the ranges A10 to J10 and paste into cell A12 and enter the travel marks in the okay, now I'm going to do the copy the ranges from A10 to J10 and paste into cell A12. Okay, you can see here. Copy the ranges A10 to J10 and paste into cell A12. Okay. Copy the word in the travel marks and set into okay. Travel marks is here. Okay, you can see here I copied and paste the word into and enter the answer 7. Okay, I have done this assignment many times for my many students. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. Okay, I am always available here for you. Okay, I have done the step number 14. Now I am going to move for the next step. My next step is the step number 15. In the cell A1, apply bold, select 14, font size and select dark. Okay, now I am going to move for the next step. In cell A1, apply the bold and select the A14. In cell A1, apply the bold and select 14 to the font size, select dark. And dark. Now I'm going to do the step number 15. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I'm going to do the step number 15. In cell A1, apply the bold and select 14 font size. In cell A1, apply bold and select the 14 font size to select the dark red bar A1 to J12 and paste into cell A20 value. Okay. So if you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment many times for my many students with 100% grades. You can contact me. I am always available here. Okay. In cell A1, apply the board, select 14 font size. Okay. I am going to do the step number 15. It's the first assignment of my IT lab class, Excel chapter 1, Souvenirs. I am going to do this assignment. I have done this assignment 100% grade for my many students. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment many times for my many students. I gave my direct WhatsApp link in the description. Okay. Okay. In cell A1, apply bold and select 14 font size and select dark red font color. Copy the range A1 to J12 and paste into cell A20. Value source formatting. Now I am going to do. Here I am going to change the A14, paste into cell A20 by value formatting. Now I copied and apply the red font color A1 to J1 and paste into cell A20 and value source formatting. Okay. Copy and going to paste into cell A20. You can see here, copy and cell paste into A20. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment many times for my many students with 100% grades. Okay, I have done the step number 15. Now I am going to move for the next step. My next step is the step number 16. Select the ranges A1 to J1 and apply the heading 1 cell style. Merge the cell, the data and middle line vertical alignment. Select the ranges A1 to J1 and apply the heading 1. Now I am going to select the ranges from A1 to J1 and apply the heading 1 style. Merge that and center the data with middle alignment. Okay, now I'm going to do the step number 16. My step number 16 is here. Select the range A1 to J1 and apply the heading 1 cell side. Merge and center the data with middle align vertical alignment. Okay, if you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment many times for my many students with quality grades. Okay, it is the actual first chapter Exp22 HOE Souvenirs. Okay, now I'm going to complete this step number 16. Select and merge the data. Now you can see here A1 to J1 I selected. Okay, and merge and center the data with middle align with vertical alignment. Okay, here is I'm going to merge and center the data. You can see here I am going to merge and center the data. Applying the middle and vertical alignment. Okay, I am going to do the Excel chapter 1, Exp22, Excel chapter 1 HOE Souvenirs. I have the complete solution of this assignment. I am going to complete it. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done the step number 16. Now I am going to move for the next step. My next step is the step number 17. Select the ranges A4 to J4 horizontally center and apply bold, wrap the text and headline. Okay. Now I am going to do here step number. Selected the ranges and center. I am going to apply the wrap text. Okay. You can see here I am going to complete the solution of this assignment. Okay, now I'm going to move for the next step. Next step is the step number 18. To distinguish the product name, select the ranges A6 to A8 and A10 to A12 and index twice the product name. Now I'm going to apply the index twice for the product name for the ranges A6 to A10 and A10 to A12. Okay, you can see here I'm going to do the step number 18. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have complete solution of this assignment. Index twice. You can see here increase indent and select the ranges from A10 to A12 and increase indent. Okay, I am going to complete this. I have complete solution of this assignment. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have done this assignment many times for many students. I am dealing whole class. Now I am going to do the next step. My next step is the step number 18. Select the ranges A4 to J4. Apply the gray. Here is I am going to do the step number 19. I selected the ranges and going to apply the fill color gray. I have done this assignment many times. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have completed this assignment many times for many students. Lighter gray 80%. Okay, now I'm going to fill color for this ranges. Okay, have done. I'm going to apply the fill color gray SN3 lighter 80. Gray SN5 lighter 80 is here. If you need the solution of this assignment, you can contact me through WhatsApp or email. I have complete solution of this assignment. I already done this assignment many times for my many students. Okay, thank you so much. You can contact me for this assignment. I have complete solution. I can help you in whole class. Okay.